how to create an app for your business for free without any coding. So I'm over here onto this website called Jotform.com, and this website will allow you to create an application without any coding and for free. So over here, we're just simply going to go ahead and sign up with Google. Here we can go ahead and start creating it. So over here we have forms. Here what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on products right here. And underneath products, you will see you have form builder, enterprise, and many other more Jotform apps. So we're going to click on the application button. Over here, we can go ahead and start creating an app. The templates or clone existing apps or build a store, or we can start from scratch. It all depends on you. So if you start from scratch, you'll have a blank canvas and you will create an application from the very beginning. Or if you want to use templates, you can choose from over 300 templates. Clone, well, you can create a copy of one of the existing clones, and then you can build a store, collecting orders and donations through your online store. It all depends on you. We're going to be using the templates in this video to get you to understand how it works, and we can even search one over here, or we can choose one from the categories right here. Let's say we want an online store templates, right? Want to click on online store templates, and over here we will have a bunch of different options, as you can see, and we have even more categories within that category. And select apparel selling apps. So over here, as you can see, we have this amazing templates to choose from set and select one that we like. We can even preview them by clicking on the preview button. As you can see, let's go ahead and preview this. As you can see, the shoe selling app, this is how it will look like. We click on these buttons to choose one, click on shop now button. This is how it would look like, right? We scroll down, we can see the products that we want. We just simply click on add to cart and it works. Then we just simply click on order now, contact details, yeah, and it works. We'll click on use template. So this is how it looks like. So over here you have your main options, preview, you have build option, setting option, publish, and you have add elements button. Right, click on add element where you have different options. So you can choose any of these you want. You have form, sign documents, headings, links, buttons, maps, and everything else. But I'm pretty sure this is only because it's loading up different options. Home page, then at the top you have the main store, and at the bottom you have the raffle, then you have the feedback, and you can even move these pages up and down as well. I think like these elements, as you can see right here, you can move it around and you can move them up right here, as you can see. So I would like to move the home page at the top and then click on move down. Now at the top we have the home page, then we have the order, the main shopping place as well. For here, this is how it looks like. We have different images right here. And if we click on the settings button, it opens up the settings option where we have different slider options for it as well. Slider speeds, we have hidden controls, we can duplicate it as well. And also, if we click on this icon, we can go into the app designer where we can change the colors up a little bit. So maybe if we want color scheme A, brightens up a little bit, and we can even change the fonts as well. So we have different fonts right here. I think I'll choose that one. And for the color scheme, much better, yeah. And then we can change the app layout as well. This is the default now, all shrinked. Use this layout, shrinks down a little bit. I don't actually like that. Yep. And then down below we can add different products right here. We'll come over here onto the left hand side. You can choose the product list. You just simply drag it and drop them, and then you can add different products, as you can see right here. Click on the edit button. You have the basic info, you have the product name, product description, and then you have the images. You simply click on choose image, upload the image for your product, and you are good to go. As you can see, we also have a map which you can add from here, and you can add other options as well, like images, buttons, videos, and maps. Actually, I would like a video as well. I'd like to add a video right over here, slider show, and then over here we click on settings for the videos, and then we add the video link. You can go choose one from YouTube, or you can choose one from your files, like uploaded, add the link of that video in this URL section. Then you can go into the settings option. Important for the default, you have continue forms later options enabled. Create an application and you want to continue it later, then you can come back and continue off from where you left it, enabled, but we can disable it on a specific date. It all depends on you. We also have the progress bar that lets users see the progress of your forms or application or documents, which is also pretty good. Then we have the app icon and name. Icon, you can add in the name over here, and if you click on the icon, you can change it. or you can select. So we have them different options. We can go with this one right here, but this is more of us. We'll keep that. And then for the name, we'll go with shoes.co. And then we have the screen splash. So this is the preview. We can customize it as well. Go ahead and click on customize. We have the colors right here, but I think this looks perfectly fine. We'll go with that. And then at the end, we have the publish icon where we can just simply publish it as well. So this is going to be the link to your application. You can copy the link and send it to your friends and family members, or download the QR code. So this is how you use JotForm to create an application. It's very simple. It all depends on your creativity